Hey Psiko2Goers! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome to Psiko2Go. If you find our videos helpful by the end of the video, do consider subscribing. People have all sorts of reasons why they find someone attractive. Most of them are likely normal, right? Great personality, similar interests, a great smile. But there are some pretty weird things that can cause someone to go goo-goo eyes for you. Curious to know what they are? Here are 6 weird things others may find attractive about you. 1. If you remind them of their parents. Wait, what? Yep, we'll be saying that a lot in this video. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Evolution and Human Behavior suggests that others may be attracted to you because there's something about you that reminds them of their parents. The study found that gay men and heterosexual women in particular were attracted to body types that resembled their fathers. This was more true for women who had positive relationships with their fathers. This is due to the psychological phenomenon humans can experience called bonding or imprinting. No, it's not just a wolf thing. 2. If they watch a horror movie with you. So you go to the movie theater with your 2 guy friends. One of them happens to be a werewolf. And you decide to see the adrenaline-inducing face punch. It's gory with a bit of horror. If your friends like you, they'll probably jump at the chance to go see a horror movie with you. Because watching a horror movie with someone may just make them more attracted to you. This may be due to the misattribution of arousal. In psychology, this term is used to describe when one mistakes what it is that is causing them to feel aroused. One may confuse physiological responses to fear as romantic arousal for someone. So all that excitement and adrenaline you're feeling during that horror flick? It's likely the terrifying clown or monster, not the werewolf beside you. 3. If you have a talent in music. Get your guitar out and start practicing. According to one study published in Psychology of Music, women are more likely to share their number with a guy carrying a guitar case than a gym bag. This may have to do with the idea that women associate someone's musical talent with intellectual ability and genetic advantage. In the experiment, 300 women were approached by an attractive man who asked for their numbers after giving them a compliment. He did these 3 different scenarios: carrying nothing, holding a gym bag, or carrying a guitar case. Over a third of women gave their number to the man holding a guitar case, while 14% liked him when he carried nothing at all. And lastly, a mere 9% gave their number when the handsome fellow held onto their gym bag. If this research tells us one thing, less gym, more music. 4. If they get anxiety when they meet you. It's love at first sight. Well, not really. It may just be anxiety. We discussed the misattribution of arousal, but there's also a connection between anxiety and sexual arousal as well. If someone is hit with a sudden urge of anxiety when meeting a potential partner, such as yourself, the more they'll likely be attracted to you. This sudden feeling of strong and anxious emotions will likely give them the impression something special about you because of the way you make them feel. Romance is bound. 5. What stage in your cycle you are in. What time of the month is it for you, ladies? Because according to several studies, some may appear more attractive to you depending on if you're ovulating. The ovulatory shift hypothesis may have something to do with this, as it suggests your taste in men may change when you reach peak fertility. Research has suggested fertile women possess a stronger attraction to men with higher testosterone when they're ovulating, while men find ovulation as an aphrodisiac. One study showed that men found the faces of women who were ovulating more attractive. Another had men rate armpit odors from women at different stages of their menstrual cycle. They found the most attractive scent to men in the study was when a woman was ovulating. 6. If you eat fruits and vegetables. Your mom told you to eat your fruits and vegetables for a reason, so you can grow up and find a partner. A 2017 study from Macquarie University in Australia found women were more attracted to the odors of males who took their mom's advice and ate those veggies and fruits. The subjects who ditched the veggies and had a diet of mainly refined carbs? Well, they smelt bad, or at least unattractive to the ladies. So go ahead and serve yourself an extra scoop of berry spinach salad. Your future spouse will thank you later. That is, if they don't imprint on a half-vampire baby first. So, which of these shocked you the most? What weird things do you find attractive about your crush or partner? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and share this video with a friend. Subscribe to Psiko2Go and hit the notification bell icon for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching!